Medic! Oh! Come forward! Holy! What's up, baby? Everybody thought that I wouldn't do an oatmeal right. Ricky just keeps forgetting to get me, dude. And then today, since I yelled at him,
yeah, right.
I'm like, you're the one, Ricky. You forget it all the time.
I like to think about it as reminding you.
You're like, when I see it every day, I pretty much feel like I put it in the video. Yeah. What is this? Half a cup of oats, ice, and 50 grams of protein. It's gonna give me some complex carbohydrates because I don't like to eat in the morning. So if you've been watching me or you're just now tuning in, Stax doesn't eat in the morning. I don't. I can't. I'm on the go. I got so much shit going on. My body just doesn't feel right. I have my coffee, then I have my oats, and then I go to work. I take breakfast with me, and hopefully I eat that within the hour. And that's usually what the oats do. The oats, the protein, the carbs, they're what like jumpstart my metabolism to want to eat. Because if I didn't even take this and just coffee, I could fast till like 2 p.m., 3 p.m. It's weird. And still look like this. I don't understand it either. But thank you, Jesus. But real talk, man. So I take the oats and the protein in the morning. If you can't eat in the morning, guarantee you can drink. You're not gonna just throw up all over the place, hopefully. I just grind up the oats with some ice cubes, water, protein, and slam it. The texture is like, it's not that bad. It's almost chocolate throw up. So it's not bad. All the chunks. So let's just keep it going. Either way. The dump truck filled that bitch up or what?
Yep.
That's the first load?
Yep.
Shit, what do you think about? One more or two more?
It looks like one more.
Beautiful. Beautiful! Oh, hey, all this rock goes.
Yes, sir. I think they're coming and getting it piece by piece, I think.
Who?
Whoever's supposed to...
No. No one's coming for it. No more. It's all gone.
All right.
Throw it all in that pile of shit and it goes. It's going. It's gone. It's out of here. We're gonna grade all this, bring us some topsoil. We got the weed mat all up in there, looking good. Let's go. This is all going to my truck today. We're gonna take this to the dump and that stump, so it's probably gonna be 2 trips. But I just wanna, get this whole thing cleaned out with the Bobcat as much as we can. Get that rock. Hey, Justin, that rock goes. You see that rock? All that rock goes.
Okay.
So, shit, this space is looking good though. Real good. When we build that deck out around these 2 trees, we gotta bang that moss out right there. I see some more moss. That stick can go up there. We're gonna get that chainsaw out. We're gonna cut that big ass stump. Throw that in my truck. Even with the Bobcat, of course, but still. Fucking that whole stump's gonna take up my truck. One load.
Yeah, they're big. I see those over there. That one's kind of...
Try to break that, Justin. Step on it and crack it up. Right here. Watch out. Don't scratch my windows. To the body. Get some amino acids, let's go. Good, before Stretch gets here, we're gonna eat some cold eggs. I was in such a hurry to get out here with the diesel. It's empty.
It's like a couple drops. Do you want me, us to try to throw this in here? No.
Got the Bobcat for that. I want to cut that stump in half though.
You get the chainsaw?
How's the blade?
It's pretty good. It was doing its thing.
All right, yeah, grab it. dude, y'all lost the screw.
No, it's been gone.
What? I just bought another one.
Oh, there was only one when we changed it.
You guys lost one last time. I bought another one.
No, because it's been the same. We haven't had that one. We just lost that one like,
Shit, that bitch was gone like a year ago. And I ordered another one from the steel place. Did y'all blow it all out yet or no?
I cleaned the shit out of this. All of this was like brand new before I started cutting all the big shit.
Yeah. Hey, yeah, go back there real quick, Justin, and see what else you could bring up here for like trees and shit. Any brush? Yeah, well, not the stumps, but just trees, stuff you can carry. Okay. Yeah, we'll get the stumps with Bobcat. We just want to carry sticks, branches, whatever. Throw them in first, throw trees on top. What am I gonna do when we get there with these fucking stumps, bro?
That's the only one that I would worry about being too fucking heavy. The other ones aren't that big.
Fire in the hole.
Get back in the bucket.
Put everything together again. Oh shit! Timber! Look at this! That thing's heavy as fuck.
This thing is heavy.
Do you think they'll knock it out of my truck for me? I'm like, look, if I don't get this off my truck, I'm gonna be doing donuts with this fucking thing in it.
You might be able to get somebody else there with a chain and just have them fucking throw a chain over and have their truck just drive it off.
I don't want to take advantage of that. I'm like, hey buddy, you got a chain on you? He's like, nope. Hey, you got a chain? Nope. You chain? Yeah, that's not the right chain. Or else me and Joel are gonna be tugging on there. Ricky's gonna set the camera down and shit.
Yeah.
Get in there, Ricky. Bro.
I was like a slight budge in it. That's it.
Slight, and I was like. First, so come over here, stop. Everyone get right here, Joel in the middle. We're gonna push it as high up as we can. 1, 2, 3. Hold it there. Whoa, don't let it go. Don't let it go. We're gonna lower it on the bucket. Joel, come around. Don't let it go. Hold it this way. Drop it down. Up. Stretch. Flip it this way. Put this in on that side. This hanging off the bed. We're gonna lift it up and dump it. Go that way. Yep. Stop. Back up. Come back. Big bucket here. Back up. Now, bring that bucket with that thing right here. Bring the edge of the bucket right here. Yep. Fuck it. I'm just gonna wing this bitch. Pick it all the way up and lay it down right here. Get your load going. Justin gets to stay with his best friend Stretch. Lower it. Jump it. Ready? Hold on. Come forward. Holy shit. Yeah! I've been for that to happen. Hey, damn, is that my flat tire on this side? That's my bad tire over there, boy. God, hey. Stretch! This load's full.
I was like trying to do my best. I was like, nah,
No,
just
no,
fucking
you're dumping it. Look at my fucking bed right now.
Holy shit.
I know, it's horrible.
Get a pair of pliers.
Look, you got the big stump out of here. I don't know how we're gonna keep it on the truck though. Hold up.
I don't think it's going nowhere.
Oh, I'll be able to flip that out of here though. I need a come along strap out of the glove box, please, Joel.
Yes,
We're gonna run it from the back to the back just to hold it. On the stump? Oh shit.
So we can't take that. You can take the rest of it, but you can't take that.
So what if I take the rock with me?
No, not here. You know, somewhere else.
So there's no rock actually in the truck. You're saying attached to the stump. Really? It looks like all root. You're saying there's big old rocks in there?
Any kind of rock or dirt will get some the grinder fine.
Okay, so I can't take the rocks off here? I gotta just pull out here and then come back or what?
You gotta take it out somewhere, take it out.
So just pull the rocks and dirt off of it? And,
Knock it out. Otherwise, just knock it out.
yeah, I'm gonna go do it right here on the corner. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, I didn't know that, man. I didn't see no rock or dirt. I mean, maybe dirt, but all right, no worries. I'll be back. Yeah, that's insane. Oh. Funny going now, we would have had all that shit off earlier. Horrible spot, Joel. Yes.
Yeah, I know. If you went over, I'm trying to.
Rocks get over here. Headache! Right there.
Right over there in the front.
Gracias. Órale. Mi amigo. All right.
That didn't move an inch.
I'm gonna flip it myself. She's too easy. That shit ain't light. Let's go. That bitch was heavy as fuck. In the end, I had to put all my legs into it. That last one,
Yeah.
I was like, dude, you're using your back. Use your legs. I was like, ugh. I moved just that little bit, helped it though. I was caught on something. That right there, 400 or 500 pounds by.
Yeah.
I got that leverage on it though. Once I like, because at first it wasn't moving at all, bro. It was stuck on something here. So once I went to the side, kind of shimmied it off the brush. Shit, I got that weeble wobble. That's why I wanted that weeble wobble. Yo! Yo! You stop? told them bring stumps. Bring as much wooden stumps as you can that's got no...
Fuck, they're like, you know, he wants to talk to you.
The
How
hell
was
out
I
of here.
getting up?
Oh, I flipped it myself for a TikTok video. I kind of wiggled, like, wibbled it like a little bit, like, wiggled it myself to the edge a little more.
Yeah.
And when I felt like it, because it was kind of caught, and I was like, oh, fuck. And when you move, dude, but it was caught on the brush. So once I got it right on the edge where I wanted it, I came in and I saw it was like teeter-totter. I just lifted that whole bitch up and flipped it. Hey, pull that wheel. You got, dump that in there. Hold on, stretch.
Yeah, that's what I need, man.
I touch it now, when you touch the top of that, it should go. Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah, my fucking water. $5 tart fee every time now. It's that girl, yeah, she's ruthless, bro. She's ruthless. Ruthless animal she is.
Yeah.
Next, get some more. How many more we got back there? A couple more? Down and try to shovel it up. Charge! Come up again, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. But all those rocks are plain as day, not smart. Yes, sir. Plain as day. Pick up those rocks, put them in a barrel. Take that barrel, go dump it real quick, Joel. Yes, sir. Go dump it. It's another day in the life with your boy Stax. As always, make sure you like the video. Go throw a comment up in there. Even you haters, throw some comments up in there. You already know they don't do shit but make me more money. So I appreciate the love and the support and the hate. I appreciate all of it. Everybody out there rocking that Stax Army merch. I see y'all, man. I see everybody getting it all around the world, actually. Iceland, Greenland. We got Germany. We got Scotland. We got Ireland. We got people all around the world in the Stax Army. So we out here growing, man. But again, guys, I appreciate all the love and support. Go check out the subscribe button, man. If you ain't hit that subscribe button, just go click on it one time. You know what I'm saying? Go check out StaxArmy.com. Copy some of that Stax Army merch. You ain't part of that Stax Army unless you're rocking that Stax merch, baby. Let's go.